This is for actors. Take a few deep breaths. Clear your mind of all distractions. When you're listening to these affirmations, deeply feel the meaning of each word. Let it speak to you deeply and intimately. You are literally creating your future. See, hear, and feel everything. Say each line several times until it feels solid in your heart and in your soul. Smile openly and then repeat each sentence out loud or inside your mind. If it helps you to feel the power in each affirmation, grab at the air with your fist and pull energy into your being as you repeat them. These words are now energized with power and substance and deep meaning, and will bring faster and quicker and bigger results for you right here, right now. I am always present. In this moment, I'm open to receiving success. As a powerful creative actor, I'm capable and open for everything that comes my way. My life is full of positive choices. My life is mine to create. I enjoy acting. I love being on stage. I love being on set. I love the company of actors. And I attract these things toward me. I am consistently presented with new opportunities for new success. I feel the love for the exciting and creative jobs that are coming my way right now. I am grateful for every acting project that comes my way right now. I have everything I need to be a successful actor. I manage my tasks professionally and courteously with others. I have perfect instincts. I'm always calm, collected, and creative during my auditions, meetings, and self-taping sessions. My success is inevitable. I'm known for my positive energy and creative lifestyle. I work on amazing productions with amazing people. I am a person of health, wealth, abundance, and prosperity. I manifest abundance with my creative gifts and talents. I am a healthy, wealthy actor, giving to meaning and engagement and powerful stories for audiences, and I can feel and see and hear and sense the pleasure on their faces as they watch me. I love having a prosperous career. Producers are now hiring me right here, right now, for high-paying and challenging roles. I'm surrounded by people who are eager to lift me up and elevate my success. I share my gifts generously with others. I accept others' gifts with gratitude. I seek inspiration and mentorship from other talented actors. My roles inspire and motivate human beings. My success is essential. It's inevitable. It's essential. I contribute a positive and influential presence on this planet. My presence is a gift to this planet. I listen to others with patience and understanding. I communicate clearly and gracefully and artistically. I choose happiness, success, and creativity in my life. Miracles and magic surround me everywhere I go. I live a creative life. All of my dreams are manifest right now. And so it is. 100% possible. 100% of the time. It is done. And please, give this a like and subscribe for new videos every week. And maybe share it with other people, other actors, particularly when they're having rough days. And we all have those, don't we? Imagine how you could spread this to more and more actors to make them feel good. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. 100% possible. 100% of the time. It is